In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload custom fonts to Canva. If you're someone who loves to personalize your designs or maintain brand consistency, adding your own fonts can be a game changer. So let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, you'll need to be logged into your Canva account. Once you've done that, open a new or existing design where you want to use your custom font. It's important to note that uploading custom fonts is a feature available only to Canva Pro users, so make sure you have access to a paid plan before proceeding. With your design open, look for the text tool on the left side of your Canva screen. Click on it to open up the text options. You might see a section labeled Text in the side panel. This is where you can add new text boxes or modify existing ones. Next, click on any text box in your design or add a new one if necessary. Once you have a text box selected, head over to the top toolbar where you'll find the Fonts drop-down menu. Clicking on this will show you a list of default fonts available in Canva. If you want to upload a custom font, look for the Upload a Font option at the bottom of this drop-down. Clicking on it will prompt you to select a font file from your computer. Make sure your font file is in a supported format, such as TTF, OTF, or WAF, as Canva only accepts these types. Once you've selected your font file, a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm that you have the necessary rights to use the font. This is important to ensure you're not infringing on any copyright laws, so take a moment to verify this before clicking Yes, Upload Away. Your font will then be added to your Canva brand kit, and you'll be able to use it in any of your designs moving forward. To find your uploaded font, simply open the Fonts drop-down again and scroll down to the Uploaded Fonts section where your new font should now appear. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a custom font to Canva. Remember, having access to unique fonts can make your project stand out and truly reflect your personal style or brand identity. Enjoy experimenting with different fonts and let your creativity flow with these personalized touches. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy designing.